Once you're on OBS Studio, you want to head over to Settings, and then you want to head over to the Output tab. You want to put the output mode on Advanced, and then you want to head over to the Recording tab. You want to set the type to Standard. You want to set your recording path to where your videos will be saved. Make sure that it's on a drive that has a lot of space on it. Make a partition if you need to. Then you want to set the recording format to MP4, as this will give you the smallest file size, and it's recognized on every video editing software. You want to set your video encoder to NVIDIA NVENC if you have a powerful enough graphics card. But if not, just go back to X264. Then you want to scroll down and then set the rate control to CBR, and then set the bit rate to around 10,000 if you're recording in 1080p. But if your components can handle a higher bit rate, then you can choose that as well. You want to set your keyframe interval to 2, and then for your preset, you want to make it at least good quality. If your PC components are good enough for better quality or best quality, you can select one of those two. You want to set your profile to main, set your GPU to 0, and then make your max be frames on 2, and then click on OK.